My name is Thaddeus Popovich, and I am a co-founder of Allegheny County Clean Air Now, or ACAN. And I'm here because we have good doctors in our community. I was in the emergency room last evening, and they were trying to see if I had a blood clot in my left leg. They successfully freed me. So I think I have an idiopathic condition. They're not sure what's going on with me, but I'm here. I'm here to talk about Metallico, what we learned from Patrick Dowd's response to ACAN after this situation happened was the Allegheny County Health Department, the PA Department of Environmental Protection, and local emergency responders do not have a coordinated emergency response plan that would alert residents to acute industrial incidents, such as the Metallico fire on April 14th. And that would provide guidance on how to protect their health, especially the health of the most vulnerable during these events. And number two, that it could be months, as far as we know, before the health department completes its investigation, and then when the investigation is completed, the public can find out the results of that investigation on ACHD's website. Putting it this way, we assume that there would not be any direct communications of the results to the community or ACAN, and I think that would be a sad state of affairs. What we didn't learn from Patrick Dowd's response was, number one, the types of materials that were burning in the Metallico fire. That information is important because it would let the public know what types of toxics that they were breathing in during and after that April 14th fire. We assume that even if the fire investigation hasn't been completed, the health department knows what types of materials were burning. As an aside, we tried communicating with the fire department, the police department. Nobody has any answers. Amazing to me. Feels like a third world country. Number two, whether Metallico has been required to adopt measures that will ensure that a fire of this type doesn't happen again. The public deserves this type of insurance. If Metallico hasn't made changes to prevent another fire, why were they allowed to restart their activities? Specifically their shredder on April 19th, just 5 days after the fire. And number three, what changes will be made in conjunction with DEP and local emergency responders to make sure that communities receive proper notification and services after industrial incidents like the Metallico fire? So we feel stranded in that air basin. We'd like to be part of what you're doing for the Mon Valley to an alert system at the very minimal. And may I make reference to two media articles that I have at the bottom of the page. Gazette 20, they're online newspapers now. I guess that's all we can expect these days. And also from Public Source. So they give much more information than I'm able to give you. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.